Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi! My name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are unboxing and taking a look at the Oracle of Destiny, 50 cards in a guidebook written by Azzura D'Agostino and illustrations by Paola Vecchi. Hopefully I'm pronouncing your names correctly. I do apologize if I am not. This is published by US Game Systems, retailing for $23.95 in the US. And as always, in the description box below, I will link where you can legitimately purchase this should you want to. I also have my link tree that will provide you all of my links to everywhere all at once. And thank you so much to US Game Systems for sending this deck our way. I really do appreciate it. So let's get into it. I'm excited. Palmistry is an ancient esoteric tradition practiced around the world. Interest in palmistry and chirosophy derives from the fascinating idea that the physical body carries signs of the soul that can be interpreted to reveal profound aspects of the individual. With contemporary pop art illustrations, Oracle of Destiny combines evocative symbols, archetypal references, and elements of astrology in a dynamic method that offers personal insights and a divinatory message. Includes 50 cards and a 128-page guidebook. All right, and it is a nice sturdy packaging. We've got an opening here at the bottom. Nice. All right. Oh, so it has its own little box here. Nice. Let's take a look at this guidebook. I am intrigued. I still need to get on with my learning in palmistry, so hopefully this will help. So we have Oracles of Destiny and Palmistry, how to read the hands, some general information, how to use the deck, and readings from the deck, and then in the cards we go. So let's just take a look here. We've got some information on the history of it. So that's important and awesome to have. And then more hand readings. What hand do we read? Each card in the deck represents a prominent feature in palm reading, and the meanings of each are briefly presented in this guidebook. The order of the cards in the guidebook reflects a possible general reading, ranging from the more outer and visible elements, so texture to touch, shape, nails, fingers, to the more inner and articulated features, so palm lines, fingerprints, just like a map, ranging from general morphology, borders and mountains, to increasingly detailed maps of cities, so streets and squares. Reading the guidebook independently of the deck gives you all the information you need to learn the basics of palmistry. Oh, awesome. Okay, so more information, and then how to use the deck. So 50 cards, the subject of each card is inspired by a characteristic of the hand and visually carries hints to the deeper meaning of that element. Exploring the image in detail offers an immediate emotional response which awakens other channels beyond the conscious one. It is advisable to consult the deck with pen and paper at hand. Each time a card is drawn, after careful observation of all the details, write down what the images evokes. It can be a list of words, a poem, a question, or a brief thought. In this guidebook, the general meaning of each card is presented, as is the aspect of the hand and the divinatory meaning. The explanation of the cards also includes a hand icon on which the areas the card refers to are highlighted in yellow. Use them to search your hand or the one you are reading. Oh, very cool. Very cool. I'm excited. We have an inspirational card that you can pull, card of the day, yesterday, today, and tomorrow. And then it looks like it goes into the cards. Oh, and it's all color. So we'll dive deeper with this deck after the flip through. I just want to see if there's anything else about the creators. Cool. And we got a little spot for notes. All right, let's open this up. Little tuck box here. I like the colors. I like the style of this deck so far. Very fun. Okay, the cardstock is on the thinner side. It is a matte, slight gloss there, but like it feels like a matte. It's not my favorite type of cardstock, but I'm not mad at it yet. I do want to see how it shuffles. The back is pretty. I like the size of it. Look at the fun pop art dots in the background. Okay, no borders. We've got a keyword down at the bottom here, or a title, or both if you want to call it that. The art is fun, very vibrant. It doesn't hurt my eyes though. Humidity. Aridity. I'm going to read out the titles just in case you can't differentiate them on screen. Sometimes it's hard with the font. Hardness. Color. Oh, that's fun. Every time I see a prism like this, I always think about Pink Floyd. Nails. What a fun way to showcase nails. Playing the harp, that's creative. Fire. Earth. Air. And water. Roots. Cute. A little mushy up in the corner there. Trunk. Branches. I like that these look like, you know, the fingerprints and lines in your hands. That's fun. Mars. Jupiter. If I'm not mistaken, it's the knuckles or the fingers that are the planets. Saturn. Apollo. Oh my goodness. Cute. This is fun. Kind of reminds me of a coloring book a little bit, but in a great way. You know what I mean? It's not, it doesn't feel juvenile. It just feels different. Mercury. It feels approachable. Mount of Venus. Mount of Luna. Oh, that's fun. Life. Well, I know about the lifeline. You have a long lifeline. Heart. Head, rationality. I'm excited about the guidebook. Head, harmony. Head, dream. These flowers remind me of the tattoo motif that they did, like Sailor Jerry style. Destiny. More tattoo. Destiny couple. Always wanted to get this specific swallow style tattooed. Never got a chance to. Destiny absence. Plane of Mars. I like the vibrancy. The style is different. It's fun. Ring of Solomon. monkey, intuition, Milky Way, bracelet, sun, time, I like that it's in an hourglass there, girdle of Venus, influences. I love that the hands are all different. Affections, journeys. I don't know why. This totally reminds me of a Polly Pocket. If you know what I'm talking about, please let me know in the comments. Oh my gosh, I loved Polly Pockets. Me and my pop culture references. Concerns. Chains. Square. Star. Grill. Dot. Mystic cross. Loop. That's fun. Arch. And whirl. All right, let's see how it shuffles. I do like the size of it. Oh yeah, not an issue. And it snaps back. Yeah, shuffles just fine. Ring of Solomon. Oh, okay, so this is the card that we're going to read for. Ring of Solomon. 84. Okay, so we have a full printout on the left, and then we have the aspect of the hand. So it's going to be the yellow right there. All right, aspect of the hand. This is a loop that the heart line forms by wrapping itself around the base of the index finger. It is the ring of magicians and Kabbalists, a sign of wisdom and spiritual and psychological abilities. It indicates an ability to intuitively read others, interest in metaphysical topics, and, as indicated by the name of the great biblical king, exceptional inner balance. It is an invitation to always be on the lookout under the guidance of selflessness, listening, and idealism. All right, so I love that it tells us what it is, where it's located, and what it is for. Awesome. Divinatory meaning. King Solomon received the gift of wisdom directly from God. For 7 years, he devoted himself to building an extraordinary temple full of gold, of which nothing remains but the memory. Similarly, his valuable but symbolic ring reminds you to trust intuition as an inner talent in handling human worries. Very cool. Just want to see. I don't know if it's supposed to wrap around. I am going to enjoy learning through this and figuring it all out. I think the art is fun. It's different. I don't have a deck that is specific to palmistry. The only thing that we've done on this channel that is palmistry related specifically is the R&P minis with the palmistry ceramic hand here. But other than that, I just have like, I think a book on it. It is something I'm very interested in. I think it's very intriguing and different. It's a different form of divination, which I'm excited. And the fact that it is accessible in an oracle deck like this probably will help me make it easier for me to learn it. So it might work best in your favor to learn it this way too, because, you know, we're so used to using oracle decks, and this way we can, you know, make it a little bit more tactile and put an image to it and you know, more of a background to that as well. So I think this is fun. It's different. It's not my favorite type of cardstock, but it shuffles just fine and it snaps back. So I'm not mad at that at all. I like the whole concept. I think it's cool. I think the price point is a great price point. You get 50 cards. The packaging is very sturdy and great. So yeah, all in all, I'm very excited to get to know this deck a lot more. So now I'm going to turn it over to you guys. What do you think? Is this something up your alley, or what you're excited about? Do you own this already and do you like it? What are all your thoughts? Let me know down in the comment section, and drop an evil eye emoji if you've made it this far in the video. Thank you so much to US Game Systems again for sending this deck our way. And thank you guys for hanging out with me and for spending your time with me. I appreciate the heck out of you. Thank you again. And if you haven't done so already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.